So this is the REM module in the back of the REM bear. So on the side you've got on-off switch. In the bottom of the compartment you've got your 9-volt battery pack where the 9-volt battery goes, and then this module then slips back inside the bear. Just knock the focus out there, try and do this one-handed. And the antenna comes out the back of the bear, and the Velcro enclosure, that goes back together. So on the seat of the bear, you'll notice that the Velcro enclosure has got a protective strip on it to save it from sticking together, so you can remove that strip of material. Again, I'll just put the phone down a minute. So you'll see that there, so you just pull that off, and then the bear will stick together, or the back will stick together, and then you've got your bear ready to use. Then the antenna can be positioned out the back of the bear, so you can tuck it between the legs and out towards the front.